Accompanied by the PWD roads official from Mawkyrwat PWD Division, Mawkyrwat MLA Renekton L. Tongkhar today inspected the Umshangkhar bridge on the Jakrem Nongshilong road in southwest Khasi Hills district, which suddenly collapsed on March 11th while a truck carrying rods was passing through. With the collapse of the Umshangkhar bridge, communication from southwest Khasi Hills district to eastern west Khasi Hills district through the Jakrem Nongshilong road, which is the only major road in the area, was cut. Speaking to media persons during the inspection, Tongkhar said that the Umshangkhar bridge was one amongst many weak and old bridges in the district that needs to be replaced with new ones. He said that the PWD roads now will construct a temporary subway down the stream to reconnect the road.
Dia tahu dah bahagi por barok ke jinyat jadi kali ke bahak kalau benlong makalah pensenjor nak kerja king wadlah kena kalut ke pemerintah kena kali itu kap simdai kalut ke babun teh henry ke jingkit overload jadi truk ke mesuah kalau benu kadau hakabah kalau kelem nak kerja king oj ngim ngode ban blem eno mar keno eno la kalongi ke peludi la kalongi ki truk mar hak jinon kam na kaleng peludi kalau lek ke batam bahai kena srok hadin baladap kena srok PMJSY kalau bahakum ne tiki truk kuruk kisgo kuma kalau sok kali kawan kilawan yak nang ne tena keleng peludi ro sim perla la kadon syana keleng kormen haka plan ban replace no ya barok kini jiking ke barang telot bakum kini ndai hadu mentah ke sokar kam perla ban lek kata wala kila persang.
Attention all prospective candidates seek